Can you believe that this computer actually cost me just $50 to find it in the used market? You can find this computer around $300 to $500 depending on the condition of the laptop. I was able to find this computer for $50 due to the computer overheating and turning off. I actually bought it from Marketplace, and as you can see, there's proof that I actually bought it from this person, and she told me that the computer was overheating and turning off. So today we're gonna make this $50 computer into something better that you can just flip or probably use it for the daily basis. My name is Vic Silver, and today we're gonna show you how you can do this. First, we're gonna log in into the MacBook and we're gonna check for the CPU temperature. We're gonna stress the hardware a little bit, and as you can see, the computer froze. We're gonna open the computer and reapply the thermal paste, which is gonna help with the CPU temperature. We're gonna remove the screws of the back panel. Once we have all the screws removed, then remove the back panel. Then with a little brush, we're gonna remove all the dust. Just be gentle and don't break anything. In order to get to the CPU, we have to take out the heat pipe. Just remove the screws around it. Just push the antenna cables to the left. Just be careful because they're very delicate. This is the dry thermal paste that we have to remove. We're gonna use a little pad and rubbing alcohol to remove it. Just let it dry for a bit until you see all the alcohol is gone. Then we're gonna apply the thermal paste. We're gonna use a very tiny amount. You might ask, why do we put so little thermal paste? Well, once we put the heat pipe back, all the thermal paste is gonna spread out. And it will look something like this. Then we're gonna put the heat pipe back and attach all the screws back again. Just make sure that you put all the rubber pads back in its place and all the screws. Then we're gonna turn on the computer one more time and we're gonna stress out the hardware to check again on the CPU temperature. Now the computer has around 60 Celsius for the CPU, and that's so good compared to what we had before. So as you can see, replacing the thermal paste on the computer actually fits the temperature. We went from around 100 degrees, which actually made the computer turn off, to around 60 degrees on idle. Alright, just remember to subscribe and like this video for more video content like this. If you want to find more videos, you can actually check on the side and learn more about computers.